Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to crochet these leaves. They are quite useful when do flower matching. We can also try different color for different theme. If you are new here, I'm sharing crocheting ideas in my channel. Please subscribe and turn notification. Now let's begin. These are materials we will be using. Firstly, we find green yarn and do a slip knot. I usually hold the yarn with my left hand in this way to control the tension. Now we chain 11. Now we got 11 chains. Then we cut a piece of wire to support the leaves. Now we insert the wire. Here we need to find the second space from the hook and work one single crochet. Then we do a half double crochet in the next space. Then we do 1 double crochet in each space, and we do 5 double crochet. You can pause here now to do 3 more double crochet. Here we finished 5 double crochet and we have 3 spaces left. We will then do a half double crochet. Then in a single crochet in the next space. Finally, in the last space, we do 1 slip stitch, 1 chain, 1 slip stitch. Now we come to the other side, we will repeat the same pattern. So we do 1 single crochet in the first space. Then a half double crochet next space. Then we do 5 double crochet in next 5 spaces. Before moving on, we can cut off the tail. Now you can pause here to do 4 more double crochet. We got 2 spaces left, and we do 1 half double crochet and 1 single crochet. Now we come to the end, and we will do a slip stitch through the first space. Now we can cut off the yarn with a long tail about 10 centimeters long, so that we can wrap the end. Here is our first leaf, and we can do 7 of them to make one branch. Now we assemble and done.